How's it going, guys? For today's video, we're going to do an unboxing and overview of the little Snowie 2 ice shaver. These go great for families or friends or little gatherings that you have, especially when you're barbecuing as a little dessert or a treat afterwards. This is pretty awesome. I actually eat shaved ice all year long. I actually have a block shaver, but it's fairly large and you have to make ice molds for it, and I wanted something that was a little bit more compact and something that I didn't have to have ice molds on hand. And I came across this one. I think it was released this year in January of 18, I believe. They made some updates to their original one, and I just wasn't sure of these because I like I mentioned, I like that ribbon style shaved ice versus just using ice cubes, but it seemed to get pretty decent reviews for the limited ones that they had. I purchased this one at Costco here. This is a bundle here, so I'll leave links to all these products down below in the description box, but let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the box itself here. Like I mentioned, this is a little Snowie 2 ice shaver. It comes with spoons and some sample packs of flavors that Snowie sells here. And let's go to the side here. Just showing the machine itself and some kids enjoying it. And on the back, here's some specs on the machine. To power the unit on, you just push down on the lid and it turns on. It has a motor. It's claimed to be a high-speed commercial motor on here, so you can use it for light commercial duties. It's for home use, but if you wanted to use it for larger gatherings or something for a little side business, you might be able to get away with it just because of the motor itself here. It holds a half gallon of ice cubes, and then it has this little ice shaper to make those round tops that you see there. It's NSF certified, BPA free, so let's go ahead, and then it just tells you the steps. Load it up, push the handle and the cup in, and then shape it, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what we got. Let's go ahead and open this box here. So see what we got. Right here it looks like we have our flavor concentrates, and each bottle makes a half gallon, so 64 ounces of flavor here. It looks like the flavors are listed right here. It's orange pineapple, blue raspberry, tiger's blood, sour grape, lemon lime, and pina colada. That's pretty neat. I didn't know they were concentrates. And then on here it looks like we have these little shovels or spoons that Snowie makes as well. And then, wow, we got about 20 of these. Stop. If we have issues with the machine itself, then go ahead and give us a call and don't return it or whatever. I don't know why they put so many. I think this was a mistake. So, and then this is a reorder form here of all the flavors that they have here. And then I guess there's a coupon for additional flavors that you can purchase. Or there's a coupon for 3 free pints on the back of the box. You just have to pay shipping and handling. You got your user's manual here. And then on top, since I purchased this from Costco, this is additional through Costco, but they gave me some souvenir cups here. And as well with the Costco edition, they gave me already made ready to go flavors here. I believe there should be 5 of them. Yep, there's 5 total. And then the machine itself here. Let's see what else we got in the box. So, and this is also an additional Costco bundle. Here is the actual pad for this to go for the water drain here. But here's the machine. You can see how small it is, or as far as comparison, you know, you got a normal 18 ounce or whatever, or 16 fluid ounces. It's just a little bit taller than that here. But let me go ahead and unwrap all of this and we'll take a closer look. I went ahead and took everything out of the bag here, and it looks like they gave us 2, 4, 6, 8 spoons here. Then I mentioned these concentrates, and on this it looks like a half ounce will make 16 fluid ounces, so pretty much any one of these spare bottles you have with water, and then you can just go ahead and mix it like that to be the easiest. And the flavors that came with the Costco edition are birthday cake, strawberry, lemon lime, let's see, cotton candy, and Aloha Hawaii. And then we also got these little souvenir cups as well here. They're not bad, you know, they're just your cheap souvenir standard cups that you would get pretty much anywhere else. And then the machine itself, and then this is the mat I was talking about if you wanted to put it over like by a sink. So if you have some dripping here, it just drips down and stuff there. So I went ahead and just plugged it into my Energy Kodiak here, and we'll listen to the motor. You can barely hear it. Obviously it's going to get so much louder once ice is on it. But on the bottom it just says the model number and then the certifications that it has and everything. So, but let's go ahead and see how this performs. I got a thing of ice here, and I'm going to pass the camera off and we'll go ahead and make some snow cones. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and reshoot this again. I just did this a second ago, but it turns out our camera wasn't recording, so I went ahead and got some fresh ice here, and we're just going to pour it in the top of the system. You can see. Then we're going to grab one of our cups here, and we're just going to stick it in. I'm guessing it just kind of goes in here, and then we're just going to push down on this this lid to go ahead and get started. Then you go ahead and pack it in. These cups seem fairly large for this machine here. It didn't really pack in. Should probably put a little bit more, but this is fine for now. This is nowhere near the consistency of my block shaver, but I knew that going in. Maybe if I tempered the ice a little bit more, it'd come out, but you can see all the crystals. I don't know if it's how well it's showing up on camera on here, but let's see how it looks after we put some syrup. And we got some strawberry here. And I'm just going to stick this on the side, or on top I mean. Here, kind of gives you an idea of the consistency. You know, it's really choppy, you know. But let's go ahead and give this a little taste. Crunchy, but man, that flavor is amazing. That's pretty good flavor. But for about 200 bucks, I think these machines go for. It's not a bad price for it. I made this fairly quickly. It's compact. I think I'm going to go ahead and keep it. I was unsure of it just because of the consistency. I'm not used to it, but kind of reminds me of the Sonic slushes that you get once you get rid of all the liquid. You kind of left with this kind of icy stuff here. So, but all right guys, if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, or anything to add down below, any tips on how to use this thing, if I did it wrong, go ahead and just leave them down in the comment section. Until next time guys, take care.